Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So as you can see right here we've got the wallpaper, which is kind of like the lock screen wallpaper also. So basically I'll show you how to change it. So let's kind of unlock the device. And as you can see, we've got this home section. So in order to change the wallpaper, we have to enter the settings, which as you can see are in the left lower corner. So let's enter them. And right here, we have to find the home screen and wallpaper in this left section. And after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the wallpaper right here. So let's tap on it. Let's tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see right here, we've got 9 different options from which we can choose. We've got quite pretty options. As you can see right here, we've got the option which is currently applied. We've got those mountains, the boat and the lake. And in order to actually change the wallpaper, we have to tap on the option we would like to use. So let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on it. As you can see, we will be able to check the preview of the wallpaper, but maybe let me pick another one. Maybe this one. What's more, right here you've got the option set signature, and after tapping on it you will be able to actually write your own name or whatever you want. You can change the position of the signature, so it will appear in different areas depending on which option, which configuration you want to use. I don't want to set the lock screen signature, so let me simply go back. I just wanted to show you, and getting back to the preview of the wallpaper, if you want to set it, just tap on set as lock screen. So as you can see, the wallpaper here does not really work like a wallpaper itself, but a lock screen. So let's tap on it, and as you can see right now we are setting the wallpaper, and after kind of locking your device, you can check the wallpaper, which is the one we just picked. So yeah, basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.